This 43-inch smart LED TV from SANYO comes with full HD-ready resolution. The HD-ready resolution offers great picture clarity with delicate detail and lifelike color. The IPS panel and super bright display offer an immersive viewing experience with better color transparency and depth across 178-degree wide viewing angle. The recommended viewing distance for this TV is 6 to 9 feet. With built-in Chromecast, you can share images, videos and more from your mobile to your TV. Use the Google Play Store to quickly download content, gaming, photo sharing and more. Connect to Netflix and YouTube and enjoy your favorite movies and TV shows. Enjoy smart and latest features with the Android Pie 9.0 operating system. This TV is equipped with Mali 470 quad-core processor along with 1 GB RAM for fast and smooth performance. The TV has 2 HDMI and 2 USB ports, allowing you to connect multiple devices like a set-top box, Amazon Fire Stick, DVD player, etc. Experience theater-like surround sound with the 20-watt superior box speakers and Dolby audio. This TV comes with 1 tabletop stand, 1 wall mount bracket, user manual, warranty card, remote control, power cable and 2 batteries. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. It comes with free installation and demo. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.